Hey, what's up mga ka-issue? Kamusta po kayo? You're watching Ariel TV at syempre si Ariel pa rin po to. To all my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. At kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below sa comment box. And huwag na kalimutang i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga latest videos ko. Today, we're going to do the unboxing and take some reviews of the new Zhiyun Smooth XS. For that, let me give you some intro. We all know that almost mobile phones in the market don't have any optical and image stabilization, except for the new model of Vivo, which is Vivo X50. So from there, by Gimbal Stabilizers arrived in the market. So let's talk about it. So the unboxing, the first thing that you're gonna see if you're going to open this box is this one. Okay, let me open it first. Yeah. The first thing you're gonna see is this one, and saying you must read it and download the application, which is Zhiyun apps from Apple Store or Google Play. Then the second thing that you're gonna see is this one, also saying that you need to download and activate the application and enable for you to have the access and controls of this device together with your phone. See how very tiny or how very small this thing is? It's very small, you can put it in your pocket. The reason why I purchased this stabilizer is because pagka nag-vlog ako, I noticed some of my videos are very shaky and blurred. So pag medyo malikot ang kamay mo, hindi ganun kaganda ang video mo. So I decided to have this one. See? It's weighing about 214 grams and the total length is almost, if I'm not mistaken, around 20 cm. You know, you can put it to your pocket anytime, anywhere, so you can do your vlog. Then aside from the main gimbal, we do have the tripod, the plastic tripod. It's a hard plastic, and there's a rubber in it, in each foot. Yeah. So you can put to your gimbal. Then tarang, the gimbal is now on. Then I have here Type-C cable charger, yeah, for charging. I have here a lanyard, enable for you to avoid your gimbal together with your phone from falling down and make some damage. So pwede kasi pag bumagsak siya, pwedeng mag-malfunction tong gimbal mo and pwedeng mabasag ang cellphone mo. So meron sila nito. Then there's also a small pouch, yeah, where you can put everything in here kung lalabas ka to take some videos or film. So it's good. I don't know if it's like a microfiber one. I don't think so. Then what else inside is the service card. Yeah. Service card, whenever na may problema yung yung gimbal mo, so pwede mo siyang dalhin sa pinakamalapit na service center. But here, I think walang malapit dito kasi showing here is Germany, Hong Kong, and Los Angeles. So I think it's very far from us. Then also includes, which one? Just the quick start guide. Ito, paano mo siya gamitin agad-agad. And of course the warranty and the manual of this device, which is written in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 languages. So, yun po ang nasa loob ng ating gimbal ng ating Zhiyun Smooth XS. It's going to talk about the function. Bago natin gamitin, we need to turn this handle and hold the axis to 180 degree clockwise. Yan. So, pag ganyan na, pag maluwag na, yan na yun. Then, hawakan mo lang din yung axis kasi makita mo yung point. Ito yung contact point ng pinaka-gimbal. I don't know if you can see this one. Yeah. So, hawakan mo lang tong pinaka-axis tapos iangat mo lang siya. Pag narinig mo na yung click, okay na yun. So that's it. Kumukuha ka ng mga wide angle. Kasi usually ang mga vlogger kasi diba, pag nakaganto lang, limited lang yung view mo sa likod. So unlike this one, so kagandahan sa gimbal na to, aside from the gimbal itself, nandito mo siya hawakan kasi maganda naman ang hawakan niya, fitted naman sa kamay, no? Pag in-extend mo siya, ang gagawin mo lang, hold the axis, push it out, like this one. Meron nga ng 260mm telescopic rod. So ginagamit siya for selfie. Selfie shooting, yan. Ito kasi movable din to. Pwede mo siyang i-yuko, pwede mo siyang i-galawin, this one, yung pinaka-axis niya. So yan na siya. So pag ginagamit mo siya, more angle, more wider. So mas maganda ang shot. Hindi katulad ng mga common gimbal na meron tayo. Nakagamit ako ng isang gimbal which is Smooth 4. So parang pag ginagamit ko siya sa front ko ngayon, naliliitan ako sa view sa likod. So hindi siya ganun ka-wide. Hindi katulad nito, pag in-extend mo siya, so syempre mas malayo, mas more wider ang makukuha niyang shots. So yun. So explain natin ngayon in mga buttons. So meron tayo ditong zoom in, zoom out button kung saan merong tight shot, saka wider shot. Tapos meron din tayong mode na pag nilagay mo na rito yung cellphone mo, double click mo lang from landscape magiging portrait. Kung gusto mo siya ibalik sa portrait, press mo lang ng twice, 2 times, ganun lang din. Kasi ginagamit naman natin ng portrait for the FB stories, for TikTok. So yun. And for shooting, ang usually ginagamit natin usually lalo sa mga video sa YouTube tsaka sa ibang platforms din is landscape. Then this one is the recording button. Ito itong may red. So ginagamit yan pag mag-start, mag-stop ka ng recording or shooting. Then we do have the joystick. So, yung joystick natin, merong tilting up and down, meron tayong panning left and right. Magagamit siya yung tatlong button, 1, 2, 3 together with this one, bali 4. Kailangan nakakonect ka dun sa sa application. This one, you can use this one without the application, you can use one directly. Pero yung tatlo, you cannot. So what else? So andito yung pinakakuha niya battery sa loob ng bar na to. So makikita nyo itong power button. Power button, you can press 2 to 3 seconds for enable for you to turn it on, and I'm going to do it. So makita nyo maglilit yung 4 na LED. Each LED represents 25%. So pag 4 siya, meaning 100%. Then this one, yung kaninang nakita natin, Type-C charger, dito natin connect, enable for us to charge this device. And the charging time, approximately minimum of 3 hours. Then you can use this gimbal for about 4.5 to 5.5 hours continuously. The battery of this device depends on the 3 factors. You must ensure the balance of it. So ensure mo lang na walang either imbalance position, kasi nakaka-consume siya ng battery pagka hindi balance ang pagkakalagay mo doon sa cellphone mo. Ng cellphone mo dito mismo sa may grip. Then, yung bigat mismo na cellphone mo, kung meron siyang mga casing or housing, lalo kung may mga bakal-bakal, tanggalin mo yung cellphone mo doon sa case niya, kasi nakaka-affect din yun sa lifetime ng battery, sa kung gaano kakatagal. Kasi mas mabigat, mas mabilis ang consumption. Kasi binubuhat niya kasi ang yung cellphone. So, mas mabigat, mas kailangan. The last factor is the ambience temperature or environment temperature. So, mas maganda, mas malamig-lamig na lugar mo siya gagamitin kung meron kang choice. Kasi pagka mas mainit, so madali rin madrain ng battery. And the temperature operating here is from negative 10 to 45 degrees C. So, pwede mo siya gamitin. So, what else? So, ito yung rubber grip niya mismo. Yan. For the first time mong gagamitin siya, mahirap siya, medyo mahigpit. Pero pag naging usual na sa iyo yung paggamit, magiging okay na, magiging masasanay ka na din. Then as you can notice from here, parang may gap siya sa gilid. Ito. Yan. Parang pag nakaipit na yung mobile mo, is kahit matapat yung mga button dyan, hindi siya ma-press. So hindi siya maapektuhan. So yan yun. Apple Store. Where's Apple Store? There you go. Sabi ko nga kanina, pag hindi nakabalanse ang device mo, makakatulong siya para mas mabilis malubat yung battery charge ng gimbal mo. So this time, nagsisearch siya ng connection. So I'm going to turn it on. So yan. Manonotice nyo rin pala pag binuksan nyo na nagbi-blink din to. Meaning naghahanap na siya ng wire ng connection. So yan na siya. Connect ko na siya. Connect. Pair. Okay. Connected. Allow. Okay. So you need to log in. Pwede mong gamitin yung ano mo, yung Facebook mo. Pinindot mo yung twice yung M from portrait, magiging landscape siya. So I'm going to do it. So I'm going to press, then check natin kung gagalaw siya. See, yeah, it's working. Then return it back, just press it twice. Alright. If you're going to press this M, this mode 4 times, so maglalak na lang siya. Hindi na siya, kahit anong gawin mo sa kanya, ganyan na yung position niya. Kung focus na lang siya doon sa target, sa ano niya, sa subject niya. Pagka gusto mo siya ibalik sa dati, press mo lang din ng 4 na beses yung M. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ito yung initial setting niya. Yung parang nagpapaling siya. Then pwede mo siyang i-rotate. Putin. Balik. I just to do the screen recording para mas makita nyo, mas maunawaan nyo kung ano nga ba yung features ni Zhiyun Carreon na suitable, are applicable, and required for you to download and to activate it para makonect nyo sa inyong smooth XS gimbal. So as you can see from the screen, makikita nyo yung isang bahay na nasa babaw, the left side. Sa left corner muna tayo, yung 4 dito na nasa shaded ng block. So that's a home button. So pag pinindot mo yun, dadaling ka lang niya sa welcome screen ni Kami. Then you're going to touch the camera. Then the second one is the video resolution. Video resolution, the front camera, we do have 720p and 1080p, and 1080p is the best resolution or video resolution that the front camera can provide for me for this mobile phone, which is Huawei. But if you want to see more a little bit higher resolution is this one. We can switch it on the back camera. Then now we're going to switch go to click the video setting. As you can see, we do have a third option now, which is the 4K. But yet, if we're going to select the 4K, one of the features of this application will not be available, and as you can see on the screen, yeah, the glamour effect is not supported for the 4K. So I'm going to choose the 1080p, which is the recommendable resolution for this application. Then now I'm going to turn it back on the front camera. Then on the third one, we do have the glamour effect. The glamour effect is here. We have a button, take some action, as the usual features or looks that you have in your camera. Then you do have auto. There's a default settings for the steam, smooth, brighten, enlargement, and the lights. But if you're not happy still, you can do something more. Just use the steam. If you want to be a little bit more thinner. So as you can see my face now. But ako sa dati, so pwede ko siya paglaruan kung anong itsura mo. Kung gusto mong pumayat, you can do it from here. Then brighter, kung gusto mo na mas maliwanag pa, then just put it all the way to 100. Or is that okay? So enlargement. So malaki na yung mata ko, try ko ang palakihin. So wow. Then we do have the rosy cheeks. Rosy cheeks yan. Papinking niyo yung mukha mo. But I would rather choose the other. Then we do have here the video setting. So from the grid, we can turn it on, the gridless, the diagonal. So makikita nyo ngayon, naka-off tayo. Then I'm going to apply the grid lines, then the grid lines plus the diagonal. So yan ginagamit yan ng mga talagang photographer, videographer, for them to mailagay nila yung subject nila doon sa guide mismo na linya. But I preferred not. Then we do have also the white balance. You can choose from sunny, cloudy, incandescent, and the fluorescent, but I want this auto. Then gesture control, yeah. This one, meron tayong
follow, kung saan pinapollow ni gimbal, pinapagalaw niya yung mismong camera, the whole body of the gimbal, for you to, pag na-monitor niya yung tracking yon. So, it's going to follow. We do have also the shooting only. So, we're going to choose the follow the shoot. Okay? Then what else? So, we still have also choice here with the watermark or not. I don't like it. So, I will not. Then, we do have the gimbal setting here. The gimbal setting, kung gagamitin mo siya, if you're just walking, so meron tayong walking and running. Siyempre, pagka running, medyo mas malikot siya kasi mas mabilis ang galawan. Then, we do have a pan follow mode, L mode, roll and pan following mode. Joystick speed, pwede tayong mag-fast, mag-medium, mag-slow, as well as the zoom speed, kung gano'n natin gustong kabilis. So, meron din tayong invert pan control, saka invert pan control, invert tilt control. So, press the button kung ano yung gusto mong set. Sa button yan, yung ano niya, yung default niya. So, mag-default na lang tayo. Kung gusto mo magawa ng certain shortcut, you can do as well. Then what else? Calibration, kung feeling mo hindi na siya okay, you can do the calibration lang. Ilapag mo lang sa flat area. Okay, let's do the general. Kung gusto mo ng theme, pwede ka nang palit. Kung gusto mo ng other devices, pwede ka rin mag-disconnect. Then, version, yung pinapartan niya yung device name mo na which is Smooth XS1D underscore 10DD. Device model XS version info is 1.88. Kasi yung application natin na to, pwede natin siya update. May mga update, so pwede natin siyang meron pa siyang mas improve na feature. So later on, we'll go into ma-experience din natin yun. So that's all here from the left side. Now, let's go to the right side screen. Sa kabilang side naman tayo, sa pinakababa, pinakadulo. Yeah. This one, we can choose from the Spark Movie. Yan, mga templates yan. Hingan ka lang ng mga 3 to 4 shots para i-stitch nyo yun, tapos ibibigay nyo yung pinaka-the best. From Smart, the next one is live. You can do the live streaming here. But ito lang yung mga applications na available. So I think hindi pa available sa Facebook at sa YouTube. Then we do have the photo mode. Yeah, that one. Textures tayo. Yan, textures. Wait ka lang. Yun. So meron tayong video mode. Video. Buying gestures. So, kahit na pag busy yung kamay mo, habang gumagawa ka, i-wave mo.
Pag-i-start na agad yung video automatically on and off. Tapos, by tracking device or tracking yung mukha mo kung saan ka pupunta, so susundan ka niya kung saan ka pupunta. Yan. Ganyan. Yan. Tinatrack niya pa yung mukha mo habang maganda. Meron tayong panorama, may time-lapse, and meron tayong hyperlapse.
From the right corner, upper corner, which give you the Smart Movie. Tapos yung pangalawang bilog, yung may arrow na parang paikot, switching off the camera from the main camera at the back, the front, or to the front, to the camera at the back. Then yung button na red, yun na po yung parang recording button na para rin meron din tayo dun sa mismong body ni gimbal. Then you can use as well the hand gestures nyo. So yung hand gestures nyo, pwede yung i-on, pwede yung i-off kasi baka mamaya it makes you uncomfortable kasi hindi mo naman intention na mag-record, then nakikita niya, akala niya nagwe-wave ka, so automatically start ng filming or shooting. And then the last one is yung huling ginawa mo mga videos or photos. So yun ang application. So sana may natutunan kayo, sana nasayahan kayo sa review na to.
That's the review of our Zhiyun Smooth XS. So mga hindi pa subscribe, please do subscribe, like, and share this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below, and don't forget also to click the notification bell for you to be notified for my latest video. So for our next video, when we see each other again, we're going to talk about this one. the 2020 E88 drone. God bless and peace out.